Jacks are wild.
Give me 2 cards.
You, Mitch?
I'm out.
1.
Anyone want a shot?
Yeah, me.
Anyone go to the Chinaman's and get some chop suey?
Oh, now that I'm losing, you want to eat? Ante up. Mitch, get your ass off the table. Nothing should be on a poker table but chips, cards, and whiskey.
On your high horse, ain't you?
How many?
Just give me 3.
1.
I'm out. I ought to be going home soon.
Shut up.
I got a sick mother at home. She don't go to sleep until I come in at night.
Then just stay at home with her.
She tells me to go out, so I go out. But I don't enjoy it. All the while, I'm wondering how she is.
For the sake of Christ, just go home then.
What do you got?
I got a spades flush.
All you are married, but when she's gone, go to the bathroom.
Or hurry up, we're gonna fix you a sugar tit.
I'll go rot.
7 card set. This old farmer sit on the back of his house throwing corn at the chickens. And then hears a cackle. And this young hen, lickety split, running to the rooster behind her, getting on her fast.
Deal.
And the rooster caught sight of the farmer. He stops and lets the hen go and starts pecking on of the corn. The old farmer says, "Dear God, I hope I never get that hungry."
The game's still on. How do I look? Lovely. Wait until I powder my nose to open the door. Do I look done in? No, you look fresh as a daisy. Come on. Yeah, one that's been picked for days.
Well, I see you boys are still at it.
Where you been?
Blanche and I took in a show. Blanche, this is Mr. Hubel and Mr. Gonzalez.
Please, don't get out.
Nobody's gonna. Don't be worried.
How much longer is this game going to continue for?
I don't know. Whenever we decide to quit.
Poker is so fascinating. Could I convince?
You could not. Why don't you women go sit up by Eunice?
Because it's almost 2:30. Couldn't you maybe call it quits after this last hand? Ow, that's not fair, Stanley.
Mitch, you in?
Oh, what now? I'm out.
Turn that on in there.
I didn't do mine.
Turn it off.
Let the girl have the music.
Yeah, sure, that's good. Leave it on.
Yeah, it sounds like a zipper coupon.
Sorry about that.
Turn it off.
You drunk animal! You drunk animal. You drunk animal. Any of you have
Stanley,
you lay your hands on me. I swear to God,
Sit down! Stanley! Sit down, relax.
Stop.
Hey,
Calm
calm down, man, relax. Get back to poker, let's go.
Oh, honey, come on. Oh, let's go to that old doll Eunice's house, all right? Come on.
All right, you guys can just leave.
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't want us to help you?
It's fine. We should just leave.
Stella, my baby doll's left me. Eunice! Eunice! Stella!
Quit that hound down there and go back to bed.
I need my baby girl. Stella! Stella!
She ain't coming, or you get the cops called, so leave.
Stella!
You can't beat on a woman and expect her to come back for you.
I need her down with me. Stella!
Ha!
Stella! Stella, please. Stella! No. Stella.
You are dragging Stanley.
Who? What does he do?
We're all dragging.
We're all dragging.
You said 2 of us. That's 3 of us.
I know. You're down here. Stop! And then you're gonna say she ain't coming down, so you quit. Or you
My
get the
God,
law.
Zach.
You want?
Maybe chips from later.
Sad auto brightness, that's why.
All the way.
Okay.
Make sure you throw your chips.
Oh wait. Oh, it's recording already.
Sarah, I'm not memorized. Gosh! I'm sorry.
No, I'm acting. I'm annoyed
Stop
by your
acting.
story.
I'm annoyed by your face.
Go
7-car set. This old farmer was sitting down on his.
Quiet on set!
This old farmer was sitting down on the back of his house, throwing corn at the chickens, and he's like casual. And this young, can I say chicken instead of ham?
Yeah, you can say chicken.
I forgot the 7-car stud. Okay, 7-car stud.
Alright, but hold on, we gotta laugh a little bit. I'm just gonna...
We gotta laugh a little bit.
Okay, quiet on set. Okay.
I'm just gonna look down.
7-car stud. This old farmer was sitting on the back of his house, and he's throwing corn. Zach, what's your problem?
Zach, sit over there. You don't have to be here. I was in the zone. I was like, gotta fix my chips. Stella's coming home soon. Hate that girl. That's right. I hate you, Stella.
Dang it. Wait.
Wait.
I wasn't. I have to say action, Nicolas.
Wait, what does 7-car stud mean?
I don't know. Just say it.
It is not relevant.
7-card stud.
Just like you. 7-car stud. Okay.
I saw that.
7-car stud. This old man was sitting on the back.